John Fite will be transferred to a state-run prison early next week.
It's the latest development in the case. Here's Channel 5's Christine Galvan with the latest.
This is just into Channel 5 News. Sheriff authorities confirm deputies and medical staffers will transport the former priest to the Byrd unit in Huntsville in the coming days.
Would you please?
Fresh off his murder conviction, John Fite will leave the Rio Grande Valley after nearly 2 years in the Hidalgo County Jail early next week. The former priest has been notified about the impending transfer. This latest development comes on the 1-week anniversary
For a term of life.
of a jury handing Fite a life in prison sentence for the 1960 murder of Irene Garza in McAllen.
It looks like he won't be spending Christmas in Hidalgo County.
Well, again, it's the process.
Channel 5 News has also learned Fite, who is now in his 80s, will be escorted to the Byrd unit in Huntsville by a team of Hidalgo County deputies, detention officers, and medical staffers. Authorities are not releasing the exact day of the transfer due to security concerns.
I keep telling people I'm just relieved. We are relieved that justice has been served. And yes, it was the oldest cold case I think ever tried in the nation, but no different than any other case that we've dealt with before and we've presented in the courtroom.
Mr. Fite, I want to ask you the same question I asked you in 2003.
John Fite refused to answer our questions about Irene Garza after his sentencing last Friday. This week, the former priest also declined our request to interview him at the jail.
Does it surprise you that he won't say anything, or he doesn't have anything to say?
It doesn't. Maybe his attorneys told him not to make any comments, but that's his decision.
We are also waiting to hear back from John Fite's court-appointed attorney because according to court documents, John Fite still owes the county $269 in court costs. Christine Galvan, Channel 5 News at 6.